Prime Minister Narendra Modi convened a high-level security meeting this morning at his residence ahead of scheduled talks between Directors General of Military Operations (Dgmos) of India and Pakistan. The meeting was attended by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, and the Chiefs of Army, Navy and Air Force. The strategic discussion follows a recent agreement between India and Pakistan to cease all military actions across land, air and sea, which came into effect on May 10th. The development comes after weeks of heightened tensions triggered by the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack and India's subsequent Operation Sindoor, which targeted terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The operation reportedly resulted in elimination of over 100 terrorists, including several high-value targets. During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi emphasized the need for continued high vigilance along the borders. He directed the military leadership to respond decisively to any acts of aggression and reiterated India's firm commitment to a zero-tolerance policy against terrorism. He also emphasized the importance of clearly conveying this stance during the DGMO's level talks. The DGMO dialogue, set to take place later today, will mark the second formal conversation since the recent flare-up. The talks are expected to focus on ensuring effective implementation of ceasefire agreement and establishing mechanisms to prevent future escalations.